हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। मेरा नाम अजय है। आप देख रहे हैं आपका फेवरेट यूट्यूब चैनल नीट प्रेफर बायोलॉजी बाय एजे। टुडे आज हम बायोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, वो भी यूनिट 5 पे। यूनिट 5 पे आपका चैप्टर 11th के चैप्टर 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, चैप्टर 21 और चैप्टर 22 जो कि लास्ट है केमिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन इंटीग्रेशन, ये चैप्टर्स आते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको रिमाइंडर दे देता हूँ, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया करके प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, वीडियो को शेयर करें। एम करते हैं 12 लाइक्स ऑन दिस वीडियो। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम जल्दी से वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन 1, द प्राइमरी dentition in human differs from permanent dentition not having one of the following type of teeth: A. Canine, B. Premolar, C. Molar, D. Incisor. The primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition not having one of the following type of teeth, and the correct answer is A, that is canine. Sorry, the answer is B, that is premolar. Question 2, in the stomach gastric acid is secreted by A. parietal cell, B. peptide cell, peptic cell, C. acidic cell, D. gastrin secreting cells. In the stomach gastric acid is secreted by and the answer is A, that is parietal cells. Question 3, the process by which absorbed food are utilized by the tissue in the living being for energy, growth and maintenance is termed as A. absorption, B. assimilation, C. catabolism, D. digestion and absorption. The process by which absorbed food are utilized by the tissue in the living being for energy, growth and maintenance is termed as, and the answer for the third question is B, that is assimilation. Question 4, tidal volume is A. volume of air inspired or expired in normal breath, B. additional volume of air a person can inspire by a forcible inspiration, C. additional volume of air a person can expire by a forcible expiration, D. remaining volume of air in the lungs even after a forcible expiration. क्वेश्चन है आपका tidal volume is, and the answer is A, that is volume of air inspired or expired in normal breath. Question 5th, people who have migrated from the plains to an area adjoining Rohtang Pass about 6 months back, A. have more RBC and have hemoglobin has a lower binding affinity to O2, B. are not physically fit to play games like football, C. suffer from altitude sickness with symptoms like nausea, fatigue, etc., D. have the usual RBC count but their hemoglobin has very high binding affinity to O2. People who have migrated from the plains to an area adjoining Rohtang Pass about 6 months back, and the answer is A, that is have more RBC and their hemoglobin has lower binding affinity to O2. Sixth question है, pneumotoxic center of the brain can A. moderate the function of respiratory system, B. option decrease the heart rate, C. increase the heart rate, D. option increase the flow of blood. pneumotoxic center of the brain can, और आंसर है आपका A, that is moderate the function of respiratory system. Seventh question, which of the following option describes all the component of human blood? A and B blood group, B AB and O blood group, C RH and ABO blood group, D RH and AB blood group. Seventh question, which of the following option describes all the component of human blood? और आपका ऑप्शन करेक्ट ऑप्शन है यहाँ पर C, that is RH and ABO blood group. Question 8, example of RH incompatibility is A. mother RH negative and father RH positive, B. father RH negative and mother RH positive, C. both mother and father are RH negative, both mother and father are RH positive. Example of RH incompatibility is, और आपके ऑप्शन करेक्ट वन इज A, that is mother RH negative and father RH positive. Ninth question, choose the incorrect pair. A. dub represent for opening of semilunar valve, love for sharp closure of AV valve. C. Initiation of heartbeat, that is AV nodal tissue of heartbeat. D. Pulmonary artery deoxygenated blood supply. Choose the incorrect pair. Here the incorrect pair है A, that is dub for opening of semilunar valve is incorrect pair and others are correct. 10th question. Duration of a cardiac cycle is A. 0.676 second, B. 0.7 second, C. 0.8 second, D. 0.9 second. ड्यूरेशन ऑफ कार्डियक साइकिल इज, और कार्डियक साइकिल का ड्यूरेशन है आपका 8 सेकेंड, दैट इज C1. Question 11. Malpighian tubules are the excretory structure of A. insect, B. mammals, C. birds, D. reptiles. Malpighian tubules are the excretory structure of, और आंसर है आपका A, that is insect. Question 12. The part of nephron involved in active reabsorption of sodium is A. distal convoluted tubule, B. proximal convoluted tubule, C. Bowman's capsule, D. descending limb of Hamle loop. 12th क्वेश्चन है आपका, द पार्ट ऑफ नेफ्रॉन इन्वॉल्व इन एक्टिव रीअब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ सोडियम इज, और आपका आंसर है बी, वो है प्रॉक्सिमल कॉन्वुलेटेड ट्यूब्यूल. क्वेश्चन 13. इन द सेंटर ऑफ ईच आई बैंड देयर इज एन इलास्टिक फाइबर कॉल्ड ए. आई लाइन, बी. जेड लाइन, सी. ए लाइन, डी. एच जोन. इन द सेंटर ऑफ ईच आई बैंड देयर इज एन इलास्टिक फाइबर कॉल्ड, एंड द आंसर इज बी, दैट इज जेड लाइन. Question 14. Where is the saddle joint present in humans? A. between carpals and metacarpals of thumb, B. between atlas and axis, C. between radius and ulna, D. between carpus and phalanges. Question 14. Where is the saddle joint present in human? And saddle joint is present in A, that is between carpus and metacarpals of thumb. Question 15. The posterior pituitary gland is not a true endocrine gland because A. it is provided with a duct, B. it only stores and releases hormone, C. it is under the regulation of hypothalamus, D. it secretes enzyme. The posterior pituitary gland is not a true endocrine gland because, our answer है 15th question का B, that is it only stores and releases hormones. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. Please do like this video and subscribe the channel and share with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge from this video. And please do watch the previous video which I have uploaded. Thank you friends. Keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.